What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP. And today we will take a look at XRP versus the US dollar with Ichimoku technical analysis. If you feel compelled to sub and you like what you see here, hit that like button. Let's get this video up to 100 likes, please. Get the algorithm jumping and show your love for this channel. I appreciate you guys for showing love to my current subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you and welcome to the channel. You guys, it's a new month. It's a great new start. It's a new beginning to, not just focus on crypto, but to focus on the things that God has for you, to focus on something new for yourself. You need to understand that when it's a new month, you guys, it's time to reflect and it's time to start planning ahead for the month. All right. We need to learn how to plan ahead. So this is a God-fearing channel. So if you guys do not listen to, scripture, or listen to the word of God, definitely try to, tune into it, listen to it, because I give the best analysis in the space. And people that, are on this channel know that. So I'm not boasting, but I'm boasting in God because I know God helps me in my trading. So you guys definitely tune in. I just want to say, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I had a great weekend myself. I just got a great word from God this morning. I will be doing a message on it, so stay tuned for that. He is telling us in this time to stand in the presence of your fear and face them with confidence in him, because he is going to help you through your situations. Doesn't matter what you're going through, doesn't matter how you feel about your situation. Be confident and stay confident in God, because he's going to get you out of it. So I will be doing a teaching on that today. That being said, let's jump into what the market is showing us. We see Bitcoin is currently sitting at $13,667 price with a negative 0.51% drop today. And, dominance is at 65%. The dominance went up. So we know that once the dominance starts going up, that means price should start going up as well. That just shows you that the market is mostly dominated by Bitcoin. The most important thing, XRP, is what we're currently going to look at. Sitting at currently 24 cents, 142 right now, with a gain of 0.4%. So XRP is in the green while Bitcoin is red today. So that is a good sign for XRP. I'm excited for this space. I hope you guys are excited. If you guys saw that fight last night, wow, you saw Gervonta Davis. It's boxing, by the way. You saw Gervonta Davis versus Cruz. It was a massacre in the end. He hit him with a apocalyptic uppercut. And I believe XRP is going to hit the crypto space with a apocalyptic uppercut as well. So I'm excited for this space. This space is going to do some crazy stuff. I really believe that, it's time to see the market start going green for XRP and the altcoins. So we will see how this performs, and it's going to be huge as far as Bitcoin making its move. Because Bitcoin does control the market. So I would like to see Bitcoin go up to at least 14K and above, just to get hot, get this for the altcoins to have a chance to move higher. I do believe XRP will have a crazy run this time around, and we'll see next week if the elections affect the market in any type of way. So be watching November 3rd, be watching the market very, very carefully. And I just say, if you are trading that day, be careful. Trading days on the elections are usually a very, very volatile market. So be careful in what you trade, especially in Forex. All right. That being said, you guys, it's time to get into the latest and greatest Ichimoku technical analysis with XRP. All right. So let's jump right into that right now. All right. So looking at XRP versus the dollar, we see here that XRP is on the, it's still stuck in this cloud here. I'm looking at the weekly chart. I'm going to go from the weekly to the 4 hour. That's where the market's going to make its moves. and probably even the 1 hour, but we are still holding above this fractal level, and it has solidified its in so far as a solid foundation of support at 23 cents 635. And this is something that a lot of people are overlooking. Yes, we did pass it a few times, but you see that each time it rebounded quickly, each time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times it has rebounded, and it's still above that level. So as long as we're above this line and it's not a clean break to the downside, we're still very bullish here. We do have a bullish Kumo that's forming, and we also have Chiku span above price, but we need to get back up to that 31 to 32 to 34 cent range to even have a chance for XRP to move to crazy new highs since this 3-year bear market. So moving to the daily time frame, I do like this time frame. One thing that I do see here, that we are in this P wave, and I said that if price still maintains it between 23 cents 635 to and breaks that 25 cents 757 level, we should be very bullish. If I take off the Ichimoku system for you, you see this was the high that price is starting to fight against. This is acting as a level of resistance, so we do need to break this high here to move to higher prices. So that is something I do see as well. I won't be ignorant to the fact, and we could still very much go to the upside and test that level once again. I also see that we're stuck inside this P wave, and if we do break outside this P wave, we will see higher prices up here at the 48 cent level, and possibly even the 36 cent level. So this is very much on the table for prices to move much higher. So I will draw that out for you guys so you guys can see that for yourself. But we have to hit that 1-to-1 ratio to make that complete N wave. So this is something I am monitoring on the daily time frame. It is not it's not solidified yet until we break above this B level, which is going to be at that 32 cent level right up here. So I am going to monitor that level as well if we do indeed get to that level. So let me go ahead and mark that on these smaller time frames as well, because it is something that we do need to get past. Throwing back on the clouds, we do know that Chiku span is stuck inside the daily time frame, saying that this market is still dangerous to trade. Whenever you see this white line stuck inside price or the candles, it's saying that this market's not ready to trade yet until it's either above the P wave or below the P wave, or above the cloud or below the cloud. So we do have a bullish Kumo twist that's forming, so we could get some interesting movement to the upside. We are making higher lows in this regard, so that's also something to take into consideration as well. Moving down to the 4-hour chart, we have to notice something. I did call this out my live stream, you guys. If you guys are, watch my live stream, y'all know that I called this drop. I said we had a shooting star formation. I said price will dip down here, and it did dip. And I'll show you on the 1 hour the targets. It hit all 4 targets, and this was the entry right here at that. Actually, no, the entry was actually here at that time. And then now the new entry, if the market does go bullish, this will be the entry to the upside. Looking here on the 4-hour chart, something that I truly like here that I'm going to be paying attention to is we have a bullish cross that's starting to form with a bullish candle that's forming. Sad thing is we do have a bearish cloud, which is not saying too much. What we need to have here is a flash pump to the upside for price to move higher. We're not seeing signs of that, so market may drop again. We do have the Seeker span A pointing down while Seeker span B is flat here. Whenever you see span B flat, this means that the market is in a consolidation range. This is saying that the market can definitely move lower until it starts to round out like this. That's when I might start to get a little more bullish, but right now we don't have any bullish signs besides the TK cross that's going on right here. Coming down to the 1 hour chart, which is what I wanted to show you guys. This was the targets that I put on the live stream. Hit all 4 targets, and we had a Kumo breakout down all the way back down to our targets here. So this is why I am going to be paying attention to this current market. We do see some bullish actions starting to happen on the 1 hour time frame. We are getting a little bit bullish sentiment, but like I said, we have to break this level to go higher. We do have Chiku Span trying to break free. We have a bullish cross, but we don't have a bullish Kumo forming. So that is something that I am going to pay attention to. So I'll show you right here. We have confirmation 1. So we have 1 confirmation there. 2, we don't have a bullish twist here. So that is something that will make a yellow here. Yellow is to slow down, pay attention to the market. Green is the go. So we do have 1 bullish confirmation out of 4. And why I say 4, because the Chiku Span is still not above the candles yet. So that's another bearish confirmation. And we need to have price get above the cloud, which it has failed to do. So 1 out of 4 confirmations are not met yet. And this is why I'm still going to wait till price, tries to make itself relevant as far as going higher. It's not showing us that sign yet. Now, if price does manage to get above this level, we might see a Kumo twist, and Chiku Span will definitely be above, which will have all 4 confirmations by that time. But right now, the market is showing bearish signs. If we even go to the RCI here, the current trend of the market is underneath the 0 level, which is bearish. The long-term trend is showing bullish signs, but it still hasn't crossed the 0 threshold. So we are still technically in a bullish confirmation here. But is it enough? We need our current market to get above the 0 level, but we'll see how the market acts and responds once in the next couple hours, maybe even the next 4 hours. Looking at the RCI on the 4-hour chart, we have all 3 of them showing bearish signs. Now, this could be a potential reversal where all 3 of them are together at the bottom. This is usually a strong sign for a reversal in the market. So we will be watching this level very carefully. I do like what I see here. This could be a potential reversal to the upside. We are at a support level, a major support level. So we may get that move to the upside. So given the current market that we're seeing right now, I do like it. The only thing that I don't like is that we are, the 4-hour time frame is saying that we are pretty much still weak. So right now it's going to be up to the 1-hour time frame to really show its colors, and for the bulls to really bite their teeth down on their mouthpiece and start fighting to get to the upside. So that being said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys stay tuned for more stuff that I'm going to be presenting to you on my channel. This channel is going to grow tremendously when things start popping off. So that being said, God bless you guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and peace.